Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Adobe Express and remove local downloads, beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Adobe Express from your computer, begin by closing the application if it's currently open. On a Windows PC, click on the Start menu located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Type Add or Remove Programs into the search bar and select the option that appears. In the list of installed programs, scroll down to find Adobe Express. Click on Adobe Express to highlight it, then select the Uninstall button that appears. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the uninstallation process. Once uninstalled, restart your computer to ensure all changes take effect. If you're using a Mac, start by closing the Adobe Express application. Open Finder and navigate to the Applications folder. Locate Adobe Express in the Applications list. Drag the Adobe Express icon to the trash, or right-click and select Move to Trash. To remove, you can access this by holding the Option key while clicking on Go in the Finder menu, then selecting Library. Within the library, look for folders named Application Support or caches related to Adobe Express. Delete any associated files or folders to fully remove the application. After that, empty the trash to permanently delete these files. Now, let's focus on removing local downloads from Adobe Express. Open the Adobe Express application again, if it's not already open. Navigate to the project or file you wish to delete. Look for the My Projects or Downloaded Files section within the interface. Select the specific project or file you want to remove. Click on the Delete option, typically represented by a trash can icon. Confirm the deletion if prompted, ensuring the file is gone from your local downloads. Repeat this process for any additional files you wish to delete. Once you've removed all unwanted files, exit the application. Lastly, clear your recycle bin or trash to ensure you have now successfully uninstalled Adobe Express and removed local downloads from your device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.